Severe thunderstorm warning. Hold on. Just activated over WXK24.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Mclean County, northwestern Champaign County until 5:30 p.m. At 5 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles south of Saybrook, or 10 miles southwest of Gibson City, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Saybrook, Bellflower, and Foosland.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio.
KZZ65.
Station KZZ65 in Bloomington. During severe weather.
The reason this thing isn't tuned to WXJ71 obviously is because of the transmitter issues, but thank you guys for watching. SPC Morton IL / SPC Morton 2001 here. Out here, if you guys are wondering why I'm uploading this to my old channel, this is my old phone linked to my older channel. Thank you guys for watching.